Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you are trying to create your Apple ID and you are facing this message that your request could not be completed and you are unable to create Apple ID. Here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you create your Apple ID. So guys, for that I will give you 3 options to create your Apple ID. So guys, the very first solution or the option is that you have to simply go to iCloud.com to create a new Apple ID instead of using appleid.apple.com. So guys, you have to simply avoid this website, and after this you have to simply open your browser, and from here you have to simply search here for iCloud.com. So guys, here you can see this, and after this tap on sign in and wait here for some seconds and tap on use a different account, and from here you have to simply tap on create Apple ID. So guys, here you can see this, tap on this and you have to simply use iCloud.com to create your Apple ID. So guys, check this website, and if the problem is still there and you are unable to create your Apple ID, then go back, and now you have to simply open your App Store in your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from here and create new Apple ID using your App Store. So guys, sign out from here and use your App Store to create your Apple ID, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings, and from here tap on your profile and scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from here and create your Apple ID using this option or this settings option. So guys, create your Apple ID from here, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open general section, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version, and after this force restart your device for one time. So guys, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you and you will be able to create your Apple ID without this problem. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.